This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English meaning question. In this question, we're trying to connect this idea of the typical family being tons of people under one roof, and the idea that today's typical family is this nuclear family, so parents and maybe only one child. So let's try to connect these, and let's look at our choices. Choice 1 has roof and but, and there's nothing between them, so that's going to be bad form. You want to choose some mark of punctuation or a new sentence to separate them. So that's no good. Choice 2. So even though years of elementary school will probably drill into you that you can't start a sentence with but, you in fact can when the sentence is its own standalone sentence. So since this whole idea is its own thing, but today's typical family is a nuclear one with parents and perhaps only one child. It creates a really strong second sentence, and it is in fact correct. So you just have to get over that idea of not starting sentences with but or because or any of the things that you're told. So let's look at choices 3 and 4. However isn't going to really make sense because it doesn't convey the author's same meaning. So the author's trying to contrast this idea of a century ago, what the family was like, and now what the family is like. So however just isn't going to convey the right sense. Choice 4 makes no sense whatsoever, this and when. So a century ago, the family was like this, and when today's typical family is a nuclear one. So this doesn't provide that idea of contrast and just means nothing. So choice 4 is also bad. So even though we don't usually start sentences with but, this is the only right answer.